this has happened like 5 times by now. Someone calls the fucking class group chat on WhatsApp, and then people join on their phones, and then the teacher doesn't notice for like a solid 3 minutes, and we're all like looking down at our phones like, yo, what's good? We're all on like FaceTime and shit. It's funny as hell.
Awesome sauce.
And then the Olaf shows up, and everyone's like, oh my god, you throws up all over.
no.
He's not even in the group chat. They keep kicking him every time he tries to join. He's banned forever from the class group chat, which not even half the class is in. You know, let's see like a name that's in the group chat. I have to get on my bed to get my friend because I left it there. Nothing bad will happen.
What's a Polish ass name? Cindy, bro.
That's not a Polish ass name. You want to hear a Polish ass name?
It'd be like the longest thing of all time.
You got Grzegorz Zęszczykiewicz.
Okay.
That's a good one.
I rebeat it! Yes!
Oh!
I did it!
W Zapier. Nah, bro, I suck.
This.
Woo! There we go. Okay.
You actually have the recording?
I do. It is actually recording.
W Zapier.